Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up Bitrix24, so let's get right into it. Now, Bitrix24 is a management application or service. It is used for managing your business, and it does have a lot of tools that you can use at your disposal. You can navigate your inventory and manage your inventory. You can use their CRM, you can create websites, you can manage your projects with tasks and, well, similar things. So yeah, to set it up, you have two different versions. You can download the PC or the client version from their website and install it on your device. You just need to select whichever platform you're on and then install it. I already have a tutorial on how to do that for Windows, so you can check it out. But to set it up here on the web version, what you need to do is start registering your site. You just go to their site and click sign up or whatever the button says, I forgot. And once you're here on this screen, you can enter your email and create an account through your email, or you can use any of these services. I like to use Google, so I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to log in with one of my accounts. And once that logs in, it'll then provide me with a way to start making my account. Now, for some reason, this site can't be reached. I'm not sure as to why that is, so let me just go ahead and try again. And it should authenticate in a couple of seconds, and for some reason it still can't be reached. But yeah, let me then just try with this here method. I'll just disable all of these and then register for free. You can enter your phone number or email. I entered my email and it's already used with Google, so let's go ahead and try again. I'm sorry for my phone going off, and for some reason I'm not sure why this isn't working. For some reason it has some glitches today, but I can't access it at the moment. But yeah, pretty much what you need to do is just enter your email or sign up with an account, then go ahead and go through their questionnaire or go through the setup steps that they line out. It's basically just questions which you can skip, but they help you set up your Bitrix24 account. But yeah, once you're done with that, you'll have access to Bitrix24. Sorry I couldn't show you guys what that looks like, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.